Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use course statistic to see the full picture of learner engagement, from a general overview across all courses to detailed data on each learner. Go to Statistic and Reports, then Courses Statistics section. The page displays a full list of courses with the following metrics: engagement funnel for each course, number of learners who haven't started the course yet, are in progress, or have completed it, percentage of learners who reopened the course after completing it, percentage of learners who didn't complete the course, average course completion time, and a list of teams who have access to the course. On this page, you can add a filter by team or course by clicking Add Filter, as well as use search to find the course you need quickly. Clicking three dots next to a course lets you go straight to editing the course or its settings. Select the course you need from the list and click on it. You will land on the detailed statistic page for that course learners. Below the course name, you'll see a total number of learners, key statistic, and the deadline until which course is available. You can view the data in two formats: table and view engagement funnel. In the table, each learner row shows email address and full name of the learner, status, not started, in progress, or completed, completion time, total time, start date, completion date, last visit, and team and learner belongs to. You can filter data by clicking Add Filter. Available filters are Access, Team, Course Status, Expired Course. After selecting a parameter, click Show to update the results. You can also search within a table to quickly find the learners you need. Let's also take a look at the engagement funnel. This view lets you visualize the statistic by graphically displaying learners flow through the course. Clicking on a specific lesson lets you see exactly which learner completed it. You can also filter the funnel by data, selecting the period you need. All statistics can be exported in CSV or Excel format for further analysis. Click on the three dots and choose the format you need. Course statistics give you both a general overview across all courses and a detailed picture of each learner, so you can make decisions based on real data. Hope that helps, and good luck with your academy!